We begin with David Ono live from the LAPD headquarters in downtown LA, where a statement was just released moments ago. David?
Michelle, Mark, this is a shocking case that is still developing. There are a number of details to go through, so let's get to it. First of all, as you said, the murder of 28-year-old Monica Quan and her fiancé, 27-year-old Keith Lawrence, appears to be a shocking case of revenge. The prime suspect, a former LAPD officer who admits to doing it on a manifesto that he posted online just hours after the shooting, and it was a revenge in order to get back at the father of Monica Quan. And the scary thing is, this officer is still out there. He's fully armed, and he has publicly stated that he will kill any officer who tries to arrest him. So let's show you the video right now. This is the man we're talking about, 33-year-old Christopher Jordan Dorner. These are photos we have obtained from his Facebook page. He's a former LAPD officer, a former Navy reservist. Clearly, he has a lot of training with weaponry. He is said to be an expert marksman. He's extremely muscular, 6 feet, 270 pounds. Dorner was fired from the LAPD January 2nd, 2009, and he blames Randy Quan, a retired LAPD officer and father of murdered Monica Quan, with his firing. The reason we know so much about his anger is because of that manifesto that he posted. Let me give you a quote from that manifesto. He says, "I have lost a relationship with my mother and sister because of the LAPD. In essence, I've lost everything because the LAPD took my name and knew I was innocent. I know I'll be vilified by the LAPD and the media. Unfortunately, this is a necessary evil that I do not enjoy but must partake and complete for substantial change to occur within the LAPD and reclaim my name." Now, in that manifesto, he also says that he has other targets out there, a lot of them commanding officers within the LAPD. So as a result, the LAPD has reacted by putting out their elite Metropolitan Squad. They sent this squad out to basically be bodyguards for these commanding officers, not just for the officers, but their families as well, because they could as well be targets. Now, this is an investigation from the LAPD and the Irvine PD. Irvine is where the double murder took place, and this is something that was handed out to all of Irvine PD officers. This is a description of the suspect. There you see his picture right here, his description here, but there's a couple of things I want to read to you here that's rather disturbing. It says, Dorner is a former LAPD officer. He has made threats to specific police officials and their families. Dorner has made statements indicating that he will resist arrest and use any weapons at his disposal. Dorner has threatened to kill any police officer who attempts to arrest him. Here's more from Irvine PD.
Dorner's whereabouts are currently unknown. We are considering him armed and dangerous, and we are asking for the public's assistance. Anyone who has information on his whereabouts or locates him is to call 911.
As you look at this video of the suspect, this is the reason he is so angry. Court documents obtained by Eyewitness News reveal that in August of 2007, LAPD officer Chris Dorner made a complaint against his field training officer, accusing her of kicking a suspect. However, the LAPD Board of Rights found his complaint to be false and therefore terminated Dorner's employment for making this false allegation. And that is the reason he was fired. The attorney representing him was Randy Quan, the former LAPD officer who retired and became an attorney. That's why he had a vendetta against Quan and ultimately allegedly murdered Quan's daughter. Now, back here live, the LAPD just gave us a written statement. They basically said that they are on top of this, they are investigating this along with the Irvine Police Department, but they do send out a notice to the public that if you see this man, do not approach him, do not talk to him, do not try to apprehend him, simply call 911. That is very important. Call 911. Now, here's a description, quickly, of this suspect, Christopher Jordan Dorner, 6 feet tall, 270 pounds, 33 years old, black hair, brown eyes. His last address was in La Palma, 4931 Sharon Drive. Now, here's what he is expected to be driving. It's a blue 2005 Nissan Titan pickup truck, California license plate 7X03191. Suspect, again, Christopher Jordan Dorner. If you see him, call 911. Reporting live from Los Angeles, David Ono, ABC 7 Eyewitness.